Hello English learners. In this video, I will explain how to use our video series to achieve the best results in improving your English pronunciation and intonation. Each video is numbered for those who prefer practicing in numerical order, but it's not necessary to follow a specific sequence. Each video is a standalone exercise and is not connected to previous ones. First, listen to the pronunciation carefully. You may find it helpful to close your eyes to focus all your attention on the pronunciation. Second, repeat after me. Speak out loud while reading the script. Try to mimic the pronunciation and correct the areas where you need improvement. Third, when the video ends, come back to the beginning and this time speak out loud at the same time of the audio. With this second practice, you will be familiar with the sentences and your pronunciation will be more accurate. Fourth, while speaking at the same time of the audio, pay special attention to your pronunciation and identify areas of improvement. Repeat this practice until you feel confident. Each video length are between 5 and 7 minutes, but with the repetition, it could take around 15 to 20 minutes. Keep up the hard work and you will see improvement in the following areas. Vocabulary. The right use of verbal tenses. Using the right word placement. Pronunciation and intonation. Speed up your speaking. The listening part of the exercise will train your ears to identify fast-spoken English and respond more naturally. Shadowing the audio. Speaking aloud at the same time will improve your speed and pronunciation. Note: you can use a headset while practicing. This way you will reduce the surrounding noise and be more focused on the audio pronunciation. If you find this video valuable, please click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Gain exclusive access to valuable content that will help you enhance your pronunciation skills. Subscribe and stay inspired with our latest videos. Goodbye.